Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Staradok and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 22nd of September today, Friday, and today in the end of a trading week we will observe technical picture of three cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum and Ripple, and a short-term forecast for them. And we will start with an article by Alexandros Sifantis and Bitcoin. So here on the chart, you can see the red lines, which are bullish divergence, blue line, which is horizontal support, and the green line, which is a resistance trend line. And Bitcoin was trading around 26,730 at the moment of writing, which was yesterday's evening, and price, as expected, has bounced towards the green resistance trend line at 27,460. Price is showing rejection signs and it has reached important short-term resistance. Bulls need to push a price above 27,500 to hope for a big bounce higher. And Alexandros says that he warned traders recently that the bullish RSI divergence was increasing chances of a bounce, what really happened. And now it's time to warn traders that as long as we trade below the green trend line, Bitcoin price remains vulnerable to new lower lows. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Bitcoin for the moment. It's the 22nd of September and Bitcoin opened today at the point 26,550 and now it is trading at 26,647. We can see that since yesterday Bitcoin lost about almost 500 points. It declined. It didn't manage to hold that 27,000 level, so it's really bounced lower from the resistance, like Alexandros warned us. So far it's the market is really quiet, but Bitcoin is declining step by step. And now let's get to another article by Ralph Shedler and Ethereum. The article was also written yesterday's evening and the price was trading in the red and it seemed to determine to approach and reach a new lows. It was located at 1,595 at the moment of writing. From the technical point of view, if we look at the chart, the Ethereum American dollar pair tested and retested the downward with the downtrend line, failing to take it out. It has retested 1,668 static resistance and then it crashed. As long as it stays below this downtrend line, the altcoin could approach and reach new lows, and now it challenges the weekly pivot point of 1,602. So Ralph's outlook is the following: closing below the pivot point 1,602 and below 1,600 exactly psychological level could announce more declines. At the point 1,551 is seen as the first downside target. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Ethereum for the moment. And Ethereum opened today at the point 1,582 and now it is trading at 1,593. So yes, according to Ralph's forecast, it didn't manage to close the previous day above the pivot point 1,602 and the psychological level 1,600 exactly. It is also declining like Bitcoin step by step. And now the last one article for today, the article also by Ralph Shedler and Ripple. So Ripple also crashed in the short term, and by the moment of writing, which was also yesterday, it was located at 0.5045. As you can see on the 4-hour time frame, the rate failed to stay above the 0.52 psychological level, and is almost to reach the lower median line again. This stands as dynamic support, so the altcoin could develop a new bullish momentum as long as it stays above it. So Ralph's forecast is the following: testing and retesting the lower median line and registering only false breakdowns may announce a new bullish momentum. Coming back above 0.5140 and making a new higher high brings new longs. So the forecast for Ripple is a little brighter than for Ethereum and Bitcoin. Let's have a look at the chart of Ripple for the moment. And it opened today at the point of 0.5062, and now it is trading at 0.5123. So it's really close to coming above that very point, 0.5140. It's really close, and if it manages to do it, then it will rise some more. And the technical picture of Ripple is better than for the flagship cryptocurrency, for example, and it is rising so far, step by step. Well, this is all for today. We will see each other already after the weekend on Monday. I wish you to have a nice weekend, have a good rest, to have a profitable trading, of course, and see you next time in our next review. Goodbye.